Every trader knows what they should do, but only a few can do it consistently. The gap between knowing and doing is the subconscious mind. I'm Louise Wheeler, a clinical hypnotherapist and trading psychology expert. I've seen the same pattern again and again. Traders repeat the same mistakes because their subconscious beliefs are stronger than their conscious intentions. The subconscious mind is designed to protect you. It holds emotional memories, the lessons your nervous system learned from stress, risk, or even pain. If you ever felt anxious after a loss, that's emotion, or that emotion is stored as a signal. Risk equals danger. So even when your conscious mind wants to take a setup, your body hesitates because the subconscious is trying to keep you safe. That's not failure, it's conditioning. Through hypnosis, I access those old emotional patterns and reframe them at the source. You're not erasing memory, you're changing the meaning your mind attaches to it. As the subconscious learns that risk can coexist with safety, your physiology changes, heart rate, breathing, focus, they all stabilize. That's when traders begin to perform from clarity, not from fear. Belief is the root of behavior. And if you believe success brings pressure, you'll unconsciously avoid it. If you believe losses define you, you'll overreact to every single loss. When those beliefs change, your results change, because the mind always acts in alignment with what it believes to be true. This is why mindset work matters, because trading success isn't built from information, it's built from identity. When your subconscious beliefs align with your goals, consistency follows naturally. Calm replaces chaos, and trading becomes what it was meant to be, a test of awareness, not emotion.